Wishing everyone a good mood, we begin our lesson today. Our lesson today, effective debt and credit management. About the topic, move closer to the screen. And we started. Today, many people live with debt and credit. But the real question is debt controlling you, or are you controlling your debt? Financial freedom is not about earning more money. It's about managing what you already have. Today, we will talk about how to take control of your debt and credit. What is debt and why it becomes a problem? Debt is using your future income today. If used wisely, it can be helpful. But if mismanaged, it becomes a financial burden. Many people take credit not for needs, but for wants, and that's where the problem begins. Good debt versus bad debt. Not all debt is bad. Good debt is used for things that can grow in value or generate income, like education or a business. Bad debt is used for things that lose value over time, like expensive gadgets or unnecessary purchases. The power of interest. The most important part of credit is interest. It may seem small at first, but over time, it grows into a large amount. If you only make minimum payments, you end up paying much more and staying in debt longer. Listing your debts. The first step to control is clarity. Write down all your debts, how much you owe, the interest rate, and monthly payments. This helps you clearly see your financial situation. Debt repayment strategies. There are two popular ways to pay off debt. The first is the snowball method. You start with the smallest debt. The second is the avalanche method. You focus on the highest interest debt first. Both methods work. What matters most is consistency. Budgeting and control. Without a plan, you don't know where your money is going. A budget is your financial roadmap. Track your income and expenses. Know how much goes toward debt every month. Avoiding new debt. One of the most important rules, don't take on new debt while paying off old ones. If you close one debt and open another, you stay stuck in a cycle. Before every purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Financial discipline. Financial success is not instant. It's a habit. Small, consistent actions lead to big results. Patience, discipline, and conscious decisions will lead you to a debt-free life. Conclusion. Debt is not the problem. Mismanaging it is. Start today. Take a small step. And remember, financial freedom is closer than you think. If you found this video helpful, support the channel and share it with others.